Hi, I'm Ben from Maybe Autism is My Superpower.
Hey buddy, so many people have been asking, including teachers and therapists, how does Ben calm down when he's upset, or can Ben please share some ways that he calms himself down so that maybe they could help their students or their children when they're upset to start to feel more calm. Okay, so I think when you were younger, what helped you calm down was different than now, right? And we're going to talk and show people some of the things that helped you when you were younger. We made a list together, right? Okay, so what about when you were younger? What were some ways that you calmed down when you were younger?
Gum.
Chewing gum was definitely one way. That always helped you. Swinging on your swing. And what kind of swings did you have?
Indoor and outdoor.
Indoor and outdoor, so that even if it was crummy outside, we can get you on a swing. What else?
Dizzy disc.
Dizzy disc was for what?
Spinning.
Spinning around. Yeah, even sitting spins are good, but the dizzy discs don't have the little piece in the middle, and you were whip around, right?
Mm-hmm.
How fast would you go?
Oh, so fast that I would get dizzy.
Until you were dizzy, right? Chewing gum, yes. And then a lot of these sensory toys helped you when you were young, right? What's in your hand right now? Do you know what that's called?
That's a tube.
It's called a wrapper snapper.
A wrapper snapper.
Show the kids how it works.
You pull and push.
Yeah. You like those. You always like those. What else do you have here that you could show them?
Fidget cube.
Fidget cubes. You always love fidget cubes. What else?
Squeeze ball.
Hmm.
And shake bottle.
These sensory toys always relax you. That's a bottle that you shake and you could look at, and it's called a calm bottle. Some parents can make those. Some people make them. They don't have to buy them, but they do sell them on Amazon. And what else? What other sensory toy?
Turtle.
You're Mr. Turtle. Show them what it does.
It vibrates and kicks you.
And you can put it wherever you want to put it. That's awesome. And that helped you a lot too, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so you loved your sensory toys, and those changed as you got older. You used some weighted items too, weighted lap pads. Now you like the weighted blanket at night, calms you down. But now that you're older, what are some things that calm you down?
Rocking chairs, fidget cubes, Legos, keyboards, and drums, listening to funny music and comedy.
All right, let's take one at a time. Rocking chairs. You kind of replace swinging with the rocking chairs, right?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. That relaxes you.
Mm-hmm.
Show your fidget cubes. You always like the fidget cubes. You hold them when you're doing what?
Work.
Yeah, hard work, or if you have to talk a lot to someone. Helps you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we got a new cup. What's it called?
A Lego mug.
A Lego mug. Your Legos always relax you and calm you down. These are cool. We found this on Amazon too. And you could actually build on the side of your cup. And let's see what else relaxes you now. Your keyboards and your music, right?
Yeah.
Piano, drums, and listening to music too. On
Funny music.
Funny music? Like what?
Like, just give me that milk, moo, 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 moo. Yeah, chocolate milk, moo, 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 moo.
That's a funny song. Where'd you hear that song?
VAT 19.
Ah, sing it again.
Don't want no pop, no pop. Just give me that milk, moo, 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 moo. Chocolate milk, moo, 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 moo.
That's funny. You love funny things, and comedy shows, they always relax you, right? So being silly and talking about funny things, is that what calms you down the most?
Yeah.
Yeah, it really does. So maybe some of these tips will help other kids, do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you say to kids who need help calming down?
You can use sensory toys, Legos, or comedy, or TV, or music.
Yeah, music, and maybe swinging, or dizzy discs, or rocking chairs. And we use chewing gum a lot too. Oh, and we forgot one when you were little that really helped you. Taking
a bath.
Always when he was younger and it got really bad, we just loaded that bath with some bubbles and put you in there until you calmed down. So maybe some of these, and that always worked. Maybe some of these tips hopefully will help other kids on this page and parents. So thanks for sharing, Ben.
Hopefully you enjoy. Goodbye. And don't forget, autism is a superpower.
Sure is. Thanks, bud. Bye, guys.